Laya Speedy Scaff. Unbeatably fast, lightweight and yet strong. The extremely stable frame scaffolding for almost every requirement. The complete system for your long-term profitability. With just 6 basic parts: adjustable base plate, frame, guardrail, scaffolding deck, diagonal brace, and toe board, you can build a scaffolding structure tailored to your individual needs. The frame of high-strength steel is very sturdy and particularly light. Optimum design, perfect to handle when assembling, when dismantling, when transporting. The guardrail is attached simply. Decks slide into the frames and are immediately secure. Once only alignment on the ground only. You build on that, up to enormous heights. The structural strength of the scaffolding requires a diagonal brace only in every 5th bay. Alignment of the diagonal brace on a preset mark sets the frame to the vertical. For assembly and dismantling, the specific local safety regulations are relevant. Laya always has a solution in its range. Bolt-free connection technology and self-explanatory assembly sequence. That ensures incomparably fast assembly and dismantling. With a few basic elements and simple operations, you can speedily provide a safe platform for every job. You can select between 0.73 meters and 1.09 meter wide steel frames, or 0.73 meter wide aluminium frame. The speed of assembly and dismantling is also thanks to the bolt-free connection technology. The half coupler is placed around the tube. A hammer blow on the wedge ensures a firm connection. The frames are now perpendicular. Vertical adjustment is possible at any time. Your profit stems not only from the sum of all these system advantages. The familiar high quality from Lyre is also the result of automated precision production for accurate fit at all times and of the hot dip galvanized finish for all steel parts to ensure long life. Lyre scaffolding decks, doubling as a work surface and as a stiffener, and coping with changing load requirements thanks to selectable bay lengths of 2 to 4 meters. The robust deck is a combination of plywood and aluminium. Its lightweight one-part design makes for very rapid assembly and dismantling. The steel deck, with a maximum load-bearing capacity of 6 kilonewtons per square meter, is particularly appreciated in industrial applications on account of its perforated surface. The Stalo deck, an extremely light aluminium structure with a strong steel cap, ensures long life. The solid wood deck, laminated and glued to minimize distortion, with all the advantages of timber. For safe access inside the scaffolding, you can choose between an inside ladder or stairway. Hatch-type decks with ladders permit access inside the scaffolding. Platform stairs are built in front of the scaffolding for more effective access to all levels and also to ensure unhindered working. Quickly and easily fitted anchors guarantee the stability of the scaffolding. Depending on the load, tie with the Speedy Scaff wall tie on the corner plate, with the wall tie over both upright tubes, or 2 wall ties in V-shape. For a gap-free transition at the corner, the frames are positioned flush. Brackets are extremely versatile in their use, reducing distances from facades, widening work surfaces, shortening scaffolding bays, coping with corners, compensating for projections and recesses. With Speedy Scaff, it's easy to attach or remove individual bays to and from existing scaffolding. The cleverly designed claw-based attachment of the decks permits subsequent changes to the scaffolding without additional expenditure. For length equalization adjustment independently of the bay length, steel planks and telescoping guardrails are used. The Speedy frames can be prepared for the attachment of internal guardrails in next to no time. Further accessories for comprehensive safety are Lyre fan supports and safety nets. Lattice girders with a high loading capacity and also type tested are the perfect components for bridging, additional stiffening, birdcage scaffolding, suspended scaffolding and rolling towers. Safe passageways underneath scaffolding are created with the gantry frame. The remaining construction can be continued with both 0.73 metre and 1.09 metre wide scaffolding. All Laya products are designed as modular systems and are usually compatible with those in other systems. Depending on the requirements and application, you can combine Laya's speedy scaff and all-round equipment. This intelligent and economical Laya solution enhances not only your flexibility. In addition to its normal use, you can also make scaffolding mobile very easily. In the case of higher loads and extra space needed for additionally stored material, frames of 1.09 metre width and appropriate decks are available. Laya Speedy Scaff, the perfected and complete system, is the standard for modern scaffolding construction. It doesn't matter if it's a large or small scaffolding structure, if it's inside or outside. With superior technology, you can cater for almost every requirement at unmatchable speed. Plus, you benefit from a well-thought-out range of series-produced accessories, and for special tasks, we work out jointly with you a tailored solution. With Laya and Laya's Speedy Scaff, you're geared for the future, because your success is our aim. Laya Speedy Scaff, the original with the bright red sticker, sets the standard.